how Fi is thinking of all these.
I almost felt like I'm watching Tom and Jerry of Four Elements.
That broken umbrella, where did she search for that?
Did I hit her so hard that her brain fell out?
She has become so strong. She's not a crybaby like how she was as a kid.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Bubble Wrap.
So, where did you watch Odyssey movie this week?
Yes, of course. It's the biggest movie out there. I enjoyed it, Kube.
Awesome. I'm still waiting for tickets.
Watch it soon
More.
before all the
Yeah.
stories out.
Yeah. Okay, let's start today's episode about Fire episode 2.
Are we ready, Gube?
Yes, we are. It was a cute episode, building a connection between them. Some funny things happening. It was fun to watch.
I almost felt like I'm watching Tom and Jerry of Four Elements. One of them is running behind the other, trapping the other all the times.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
It starts with all the funny things she makes her do in the mining.
Oh, 3 levels of trapping, right? I thought Kapra was smart enough, Gube, but the way she was getting trapped so easily, it felt like, what happened to you? The first one was clear that she's sending her away to walk on that hot mine to trap her, and yet she did it. Okay, the first time she's trying to prove herself and everything, but again, when she started counting the stones, I have started wondering Kapra's smartness.
Count stone.
Exactly.
That broken umbrella, where did she search for that? Top part is broken.
It's made out of paper, I think, right?
The way she was surprised when she gave a good umbrella, we can feel it.
I like what she thought about that, okay? She said that, did I hit her so hard that her brain fell out? She gave me a good umbrella. I like that part.
And then while going back, she stops on the way.
Yeah. Again, Kaprao, if you want to trap her outside the car, you should let her get down first. You shouldn't get off first. What did you think of the dance?
It was so funny. More than that, how Fi is thinking of all these. So fun.
Yeah. I mean, she's so quick in bringing her strategies to, torture her. As soon as she locked her out, she's like, I heard you're a good dancer, dance. So that's that's surprising how fast her brain thinks and makes it work. These two people's car scenes are so hilarious.
Yeah, all of them.
Compare all the car scenes of the, other 4 elements pairing and the car scenes of these two, right? Those are all so loving, kind scenes, and this is like, we don't know when one will jump out.
So, yeah, next day office.
Next day before the office, why do you think did she throw her cycle?
She just wanted to torture her, that's all. It was not as thoughtful as what Uncle Yod said later.
Yes, no? He was trying to help. Huh?
He was covering up for her. But for that cycle, Kapra is not letting go that old cycle was functioning.
No, that's because her uncle gave it, right? She values it. One thing is, Fi has started softening in the second episode itself, right? Even after being punched, she's still being soft and kind, not going and complaining to either her dad or aunt. That punch was amazing, huh?
Oh.
Black belt punch.
But yeah, actually that was deserving.
She's just pranking, no? You can't hit people for pranking. But I wonder, does it take just applying some medicine to your wound for someone to have some softness towards you? Or I felt at that moment that Fi is beginning to like Kapra. the way
Yes,
she's
yes.
looking at her.
When she was watching her from outside, no, it was raining. That shot was really good, and that's where she's sympathizing towards her. That's how it slowly started, and she's seeing that she has become so strong. She's not a crybaby like how she was as a kid. So all these factors are making her like her, I feel.
Yeah. She's thinking, who's this person? I don't recognize. Right?
We are also liking that about her character now.
Yes.
They're bringing it in a very good, very cute way. So yeah, that conversation, I like that.
Yeah.
That's how any two people who knew each other in their childhood will talk. No, what happened then? You talk that, and then
Yeah.
from there you take it. So that looked natural. I
Right.
liked it.
Both of them seem like they are good at heart. They don't want to actually hurt each other. Right? That's clearly evident.
Last episode we were talking, no, where I is also mature. She has to see it in her current perspective. Then she'll understand. So that is what is happening now. That's all.
There is still some part of her childhood that she hasn't lived. So that's what is making her act differently too. Right? Because they show in the flashback that Kaprao is thinking of when she's applying the medicine. It tells the reason why Fai is acting unreasonably. She's not being rational because she wasn't dealt rationally by her own father. Right? When she didn't do a mistake, she was being punished. So that will hurt a child. It's mostly one of the parent unknowingly always hurts a child's mind. Nobody does it purposefully, but it happens. So that they have shown it very well. But funny part there was when the junior Kaprao, she wakes up in the hospital, the dad is staring at her like this.
Staring.
I mean, he's showing concern. We can understand you.
It looked creepy.
Yes.
But in that story, do you think she was just taking her to get the doll?
She was taking her to get the doll. She didn't do anything mischievous or put her into a dangerous situation. That's what hurts her, right? Because she's not only losing her father's love, she's also gaining his hate. And for a mistake she has not done. So that's bad.
Yeah.
In the flashback, one detail was very good. Did you notice? The dad was using a very old model of the iPhone. Somebody has worked well, in the 80s, or someone has made sure this is taken care of, dropping Kaprao back to her place.
There we can see she's not Tom anymore, but she is still Jerry.
She is being herself. That's what I see. She is a caring person. She would have been a caring person even as a child. That environment wasn't supporting her to show the kindness, but now you can see it. No one who doesn't care about another person waits outside your door to go in and lock the door. That small act of kindness, you can see that, in Fai. So I find that whether it is love or not, this shows her heart. This shows she is a kind person and she is a caring person.
Yeah, true. So Bua was selling the dress.
And she also said that since my mood is not good, I'm going to
mood is not good, it double the rate. That was so much fun. Yes. When Bua comes on screen, it's just fun.
Cycle shopping.
The way they were fighting in front of that lady was so funny. Both of you are annoying. I felt like it's high time somebody said that. Right? You're annoying. You're annoying. You both are annoying. I like that lady who was honest. But yeah, when they went to the stationery shop. Felt poor Fai. She took that note of somebody else's and she felt like Kaprao wrote it for her. The thing she wrote, wow. So that balances out what they did to each other, right? Kaprao did this, and then when Fai goes back, Uncle Yoda comes and says that she took away that cycle because she cared for you, right? So both balanced out. Balanced out. Yeah, that scene when they bring cycle home was so much fun. She's making her bring the cycle. Sitting and enjoying her drink. But Fai has softened all of a sudden so much, right? That's what I told you in the first episode.
Like when she gets reminded of what happened in the childhood, she'll definitely have a change of mind. Her dad reminded her, you remember what you did to her in the childhood, right? So although she reacts like, so what, and leaves from that place, that must have been a trauma for her also, not just for Kapra, right? So when she's getting reminded of her, I think she's becoming more aware of, I shouldn't cause grave danger to her again.
True. That scene with dad while having dinner was also funny. It was like two kids fighting for dad's attention.
True. They are still kid at heart. Both of them have not got to live their childhood fully. One has been put into a hostel, orphaned. The other one doesn't have a mom and has gained dad's hate somehow. Both have missed their childhoods. So now they're acting all childish.
This episode. Actually, I didn't realize how 1 hour went off at all. It was so relaxing, entertaining 1 hour. So, next episode is all fun and wine.
Yes.
Loam and Blue were not there, but
Yes.
all other four were there. I think 2 days in the resort is what is going to be in the next episode. And she meets Capra's old friend. So, yeah, it'll be again an entertaining episode, I feel.
Yeah.
What do you expect?
From teaser we've seen, I could all hear jealousy, jealousy. That's all I'm hearing and seeing. Jealous fight. If you have stayed with us till here, Kapunka.
Kapunka. Stay tuned for more GL Talks with us.
Bye bye.
Bye.